Hello everyone, and welcome back to Ajastro Money Guru. I'm Neena, and today we're diving into some crucial geopolitical updates that could significantly impact the global landscape, particularly in the commodities market. We're focusing on the latest developments concerning Iran's nuclear negotiations with the United States. Just yesterday, on May 20th, Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei expressed considerable doubt regarding the potential for success in these talks. Speaking at a ceremony honoring the late Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi, Khamenei was quoted by Mehr News as saying, "I don't think nuclear talks with the US will bring results. I don't know." This statement underscores the deep challenges still facing the diplomatic process. A primary point of contention, as highlighted by Khamenei, are what he described as the excessive and outrageous demands from the US. Specifically, Washington's insistence that Iran halt its domestic uranium enrichment activities. Tehran has consistently maintained that its enrichment program is for peaceful purposes only and firmly asserts its rights under the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty. Echoing this sentiment, Iranian Deputy Foreign Minister Mazid Takhtravanchi cautioned that the negotiations could falter if the US continues to demand zero enrichment. However, in a contrasting yet hopeful tone, Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian emphasized Iran's commitment to ongoing dialogue, stating that the nation seeks diplomatic solutions, not conflict, but will not succumb to external pressure. These ongoing negotiations represent another complex chapter following the US withdrawal from the original 2015 nuclear deal in 2018 under President Donald Trump. This withdrawal led to Iran resuming its enrichment activities. Interestingly, recent statements from Trump have indicated that a new agreement might be close, though accompanied by strong warnings of severe consequences, including potential military action if diplomacy fails. The international community is keeping a very close eye on these developments. The implications for regional stability in the Middle East and broader global geopolitical dynamics are profound, and as always, we'll be here to break down how they might affect your commodity investments. That's all for today's update. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Ajastro Money Guru for the latest insights and advanced analysis. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.